Find or read reviews that people are talking about BOTSLAB 4K/2K dashcam front and rear. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. True 4K quality with Sony technology. Experience unmatched detail with true 4K resolution on the front camera and crisp 2K on the rear. Dashcam front-rear powered by the Sony IMX415 sensor, captures stunning landscapes and enjoys superior clarity on dark roads. Advanced driving safety with ADAS features. The car dash camera is driven by a 1.5 TOPS AI NPU chip and uses BOTSLAB's latest AI algorithm to receive real-time alerts of pedestrian collisions, vehicle movement ahead, lane departure and headway monitoring. In addition to ADAS alerts, receive driver fatigue alerts every 2 hours to ensure safe and worry-free driving. Expanded vision and effortless setup. Secure expanded vision with up to 6 lanes coverage, utilizing 170 degrees and 150 degrees wide angles for the front and rear dash cameras, respectively. Easy installation process for both front and rear cameras, including a static sticker for a clean setup without residue. 64 GB microSD card included. Reliable recording with GPS integration. The car dashcam provides automatic emergency video locking with G-sensor during incidents and seamless loop recording for continuous coverage. Built-in GPS integrates with Google Maps, recording your driving path for easy route tracking. WDR Wide Dynamic Technology. WDR technology can help your dashcam optimize the image quality in too bright or too dark situations, so that the video recorded by your car camera presents excellent image effects under any circumstances. Superior performance with super capacitor. BOTSLAB dash cameras for cars benefit from enhanced safety and data preservation even during instant power-offs. Supported by a supercapacitor and designed for durability with temperature resistance from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and 24/7 parking monitoring capability, hardware kit required. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.